So some of the videos I'm going to try and slap together now will be myself and a group of people walking around different places in Cape Town, collecting data and having some fun along the way. This is called the Living Wage Project, funded by NSFAS and the Saatchi Research Chair for Sustainable Livelihood. I hope I get that right. I will try and caption the video if not. And hopefully from this videos you can see that data collecting in Cape Town is a once in a lifetime experience. So we won the World Cup and we are in Tafelsig. We just finished another data collection session. Welcome to the data collector Living Wage blog. Week number? It's week number 7. 7 off question mark. This is Professor Mayor, the organizer of the project. I'd like to introduce her to the blog.
A lot of people don't work. It's much harder for people to than the last week. I'm very glad that people in the area.
Yes, it was much easier thanks to, like, for example, the British figure and the stuff like that. 4 times easier because it's like, oh, we know this person, let's go to this person's house. I had my Auntie Sophie too. In Rocklands before this, and we were just chased over the and it would have been half as fast doing it.
It was difficult because people don't want to tell me they know me, so they want their pay, you know. They don't know how much they earn. That was one of the difficulties.
Yeah.
Overall, it was good. It was nice.
Yeah. When Shana was interviewing someone, she just looked at first like, you have to put in the interview quickly. Down the phone. Just like, people are proud to like be a part of our interview or something.
And we won!
And we won! And that also explains the slow responses because like you want to be
Yeah. I wasn't sure, like there was like 3 things going on. I was like, do I pay attention to this person, their story, life story, to the survey, to the screen? This is like, but I think the task for us was to make it, the survey, as interesting as possible. More interesting than the South African Rugby World Cup final.
I think that's why completing the service was faster also. Because people wanted to
watch the rugby.
Yeah. So we had to rush. So that's the week. That was a nutshell so far.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes. Leave your living wage thoughts in the box below.
Yes.
Living Wage, week 5. Congratulations. That's a video.
I wanted to bring
This is for the Living Wage vlog.
Oh yeah! Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Ocean View, and we're in Ocean View. Ready and very excited to collect data. We've had coffee, we're energized, the sun is out, and we're gonna have a good day.
Yes. Exactly, that's the attitude to have a good day. We started on Imhoff Farm.
So I think what is important is this is Ward 61. It's a very large ward, and we have chosen one particular small area called Ocean View.
Yeah.
This is an area none of us know, so I think we just approach it by being curious and going with the flow.
Okay. Another day of data collection done. Decided to end it at about 2:30 because of sunburn reasons and tiredness. Yeah, we're making some footage for the
Wow. Okay. I mean, some of us have only one more left.
Yeah, only one
so
more.
your timing is a little bit off.
And I was a bit shy to blog. Hey Annie.
Today was actually great.
It's
a bit.
I was Saturday, the 26th of October.
It was one of our best days.
Yeah.
People were like so immersed in their stories and stuff.
Yeah. So it was really productive.
They were well.
Ocean View rocks. And they were very interested in the study, so we got like really rich responses.
So that's some really good stuff. I had to fill in a lot of what they were saying because they were just continuing with the story. Now to like I think they're saying they are satisfied with their job in this respect. So that's going to school that way.
Yeah.
How was it walking around Ocean View?
Very interesting because some people tell us the area is not safe, and then other people would be like, no, these parts of town are a bit safer. But nothing happened, so I guess it's relatively safe.
Yeah, I felt really unsafe
Yes,
in the first area. I was like, nope, I need to get out of here right now because people were sitting on the corners and like fighting, honestly. So we had to move out to the area. It's crazy. Like you go across the road and it's like, oh, we're not home now. We're in the coffee shop. Right
and
across
it's
the
like
road
a
from
whole
here,
different
there's like a
experience.
gang. It's just like, it's a whole different thing going on.
Yeah.
So cool. That's the update for post what? Week 6.
Post week 6. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
This might not be the end of the video, but you put it in. Put it in there for
Put
sure.
it in, yes.
Put it down.
Yes.